The domain and range, I talked about it before quickly when I was explaining the relations of functions. So when I told you about having two sets and having relations between them, right? That was actually the beginning of talking about the domain and range. Okay, so we had these sets. Okay, suppose this is -1, this is 1, this is 7, and this is 0.5. Okay, this one is 1, and this is 49, and this is 0.25. Anyway, we used to call this the domain set, right? And this is a range set. Okay, remember that? And that's why if I ask you find the domain and the range, you can say the domain are these values. Okay, -1 and 7 and -1 and 7 and 1. Now it doesn't really matter the order, and 0.5, 0.5. 4 values. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the same 4 values, maybe different order, but it's the same thing. That's the domain, and the range are the values on the other side, the other set, which are 1 and 49 and 0.25. Okay, or 0.25. Clear now? Any question about the domain and range so far? This is like the previous class. This is the domains, which are usually the values of x. Okay, and this is the range, which is the values of y.